My name's Marty. I'd like you to meet my fabulous one-eyed cat called Midge. Midge is a really exceptional cat. She's very well known to everybody in the neighbourhood, and there's nothing she likes better than to race in a sprint race against me. However, I've been in training for several weeks now for the ultimate showdown. What you're about to see unfold is an astonishing event, for today is the day of the great race. A sprint challenge race over 50 metres between Midge and myself. An unbelievable race between a man and a cat. And a cat does not like to be beaten. So we'll find out once and for all as to who is the greatest and fastest in the great race. Marty or Midge, man or cat.
Morning, Marty.
Morning, Chris.
Now then, Marty, we're all looking forward to this morning. I have to say, it's going to be one of the most extraordinary races that I've certainly ever commentated on. Are you ready for it?
Oh, I am very much indeed. I'm very excited about the whole thing, Chris.
And I hear you've been putting a lot of training for this event.
Yes, and I mean a lot of training. I've been training in the gym, I've been doing a considerable amount of running all over the countryside. It's made me very, very fit, and I'm really excited and looking forward to this.
Okay, and the question that most of these people that are watching this will want to know is, do you actually think you can beat Midge today?
That is a difficult question. Midge has got 4 legs, I've got 2, but I've got the longest stride, and I'm really going to be going for it today.
Okay, oh, just 1 minute. Yep. Okay, Marty. I'm just getting a message through from there. That's Big John, the official starter for the day. He's ready for you now over at the start line, and Midge is raring to go. So all we'll do now, Martin, is send you down to the start line and wish you all the best for the great race.
Well, thank you for that, Chris, and I'll be off down for the great race.
Okay.
Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today is the great race, a truly great race between a man, yes, a man and a cat. A cat with 4 legs and 1 eye versus a man with 2 legs and
Right,
2
Marty.
eyes.
Right, Midge. I am the starter and referee for the great race. Midge, are you listening to me? I want a good, clean, fair race. You, Midge, no scratching, no biting. You, Martin, no cheating, or you will be disqualified. Do you understand?
Yes, Big John, I understand perfectly. Be a good, clean race from me, Big John, I promise you.
You may approach the starting line and take your marks.
Midge, well, this is the moment of truth. The big race. Just you against me. Man against cat. And may the best life form win. So shake paws.
Okay, and it's over to the start line. The race is about to start. Oh, and we're off, and Midge has stormed into the lead. The crowd are going wild. Marty's now coming back, and they're neck and neck. Come on. Midge is going in, she's kicked. Come on. Midge is kicked. She's coming now, Midge is coming up to the line, Midge is coming to the line. Yes, and Midge wins the great race.
Let's just see that again. Oh, I tell you, having 1 eye is not a disability for this feline. Lovely bit of showboating there for the crowd. Oh, nice to see.
Well done, Midge. You're an absolute champion. Winner of the great race. I award you the gold medal.
Well done, Midge. You really are a true champion. Rest a while, Midge, my faithful friend. Now the great race you've won, dream on, not of glories past, but of victories yet to come. Dream on, Midge, my faithful friend. Dream on that one day you will be champion of the world.
You are the fastest in the land.
You are the fastest in the land.
You run faster than